Dive up the inside by Plato. Oliphant goes round. Lloyd just misses him. Smiley can't avoid him. The others all avoid him. I don't know how, I have no idea how Rick Parfitt managed not to see that.
Green and Berlin, and Evans doesn't move, and he's been hit. Mitch Evans has been hit by Eduardo Mortara, 2 title contenders out.